watching the gardening series of Channel 1. Let's join Romilo at his garden.
Kumusta? How are you, my friends? Just this is a short vlog. Just want to say hello. How are you coping? Pagbate. I hope you're well, and I hope you are coping well. Kuya at Uncle ito nasa shed siya ngayon in the garden. And besides holding a compost today, tayo ay, hindi ko may Tagalog yun, nagkali in Ilocano. We dug up some Jerusalem artichoke. Jerusalem artichoke. This is, this plant belongs to the sunflower family. It did not come from Jerusalem. It came from its Italian name,
Girasole.
which means sunflower in Italian. And it's been anglicized to sound like Jerusalem. And now it's stuck. It's called Jerusalem artichoke. Ito, imumukbang natin. Imumukbang natin. At ang lasa niya ay parang, if you know sago or arrowroot, yun. And sa mga hindi nakakaalam, arrowroot or paano ba yun in Tagalog? Yeah, arrowroot. Oraro, yun, yung ginagamit sa oraro. The flower, kung saan galing yung, or the plant, kung saan galing yung flower na ginagamit sa oraro. That's the arrowroot. Ang lasa nito ay parang, or it tastes like potato. And sa mga hindi nakakalam ng oraro, it tastes like potato and paano no? Asparagus. Sarap. Parang sago nga.
Please note that I'm not eating them raw. I boil them just like I do with potato or kamote.
Alam niyo ba to? Talaga? I-close up natin.
Most countries this week now impose social distancing, avoiding or banning social gatherings involving at least at least 5 people. But I think it has advantages as well because since most facilities are closed, I can spend more time in the garden and I can justify my pag-iirmitanyo rito. I love being alone here in the garden. Just being surrounded by the greens and all by myself. Yeah, I'm enjoying this side of the issue, but not of course the economic and implications to our daily life.
Simple lang ang buhay.
Being here at the garden also allows me to be away from the gadgets, from internet, from YouTube, etc. And it rests my eyes. Really. Detoxification. I love it here.
Sunflower.
Because when we're at home, we're surrounded by devices, access to Wi-Fi, internet, etc. And we keep our eyes attached to these screens. TV, mobile, laptop, tablet, what have you, smartwatch. But of course, it has drawbacks. Being at the garden exposes you to elements. Makapangirngir. Yeah, you get burned. Rough hands, dirty nails, dry skin, dry hair. Minus pogi points, really.
Mukbang. Salamat sa pagsamit sa akin ngayon dito sa garden. At mag-ingat. Respetuhin ang mga otoridad. Hanggang sa muli at the kitchen.